Florida Tourism Oversight District is coming together again in just under half an hour.
WESH 2's Bob Hazen reports they will discuss their next moves after Disney filed a lawsuit.
Disney says that the governor and his people violated the company's First Amendment right to free speech, and now the new members of this board that oversee the district are asking its lawyers to defend them in federal court. And these are the people that the governor appointed to be in charge of what used to be the Reedy Creek Improvement District, and it has governmental powers over the land where Disney sits. Disney is now suing the governor and every member of that so-called Central Florida Tourism Oversight District. The company wants a federal judge to declare the law that took power from Disney unconstitutional and revert things back to how they were before. In the lawsuit, Disney says Governor Ron DeSantis and Republican lawmakers waged a state campaign to punish Disney after the company's former CEO criticized the parental rights and education law, which critics call the Don't Say Gay law. The lawsuit even includes quotes from the governor's book and statements from lawmakers to prove that those moves were retaliation against the company. Disney says the state violated its First Amendment right as well as the contracts clause. The governor's people on that new Central Florida Tourism Oversight District board will be meeting at 9:30 this morning to talk about the lawsuit and tell those lawyers to get ready to defend them in federal court. Reporting at the Reedy Creek Improvement District, Bob Hazen, WESH 2 News.